there's a lot of BS, there's a lot of fake gurus, there's a lot of nonsense that's going on in the internet, and it's kind of hard to tell who's legit, what's true, what's not true, just from being on the internet. Relationships are built in person, in the flesh. I don't care if you're a YouTuber like myself, or you're running a business as well, or you're doing YouTube and running a business like myself. Regardless of what you're doing, one of the best ways to build relationships in the form of partnerships, to learn knowledge that you never would learn, just on the internet, is to get in the flesh with people. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Raiken Profit over at RaikenProfit.com, coming back to you with another video. And in this video, I want to talk about the importance of networking, going to masterminds, going to events, going to meetups. Anytime you can get around like-minded people, you're gonna get so much more out of it. I know a lot of times we wanna sit back on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and just watch videos, but there's a completely different way that the game is played, in a sense, when you go to an actual meetup. When you go to a meetup or a mastermind, or you pay for a course, in-person mastermind, or whatever it is, you're going to an actual place to meet with people, you're gonna get so much more out of it because of the connections that you build. There's a lot of BS, there's a lot of fake gurus, there's a lot of nonsense that's going on in the internet, and it's kind of hard to tell who's legit, what's true, what's not true, just from being on the internet. Relationships are built in person, in the flesh. I don't care if you're a YouTuber like myself, or you're running a business as well, or you're doing YouTube and running a business like myself. Regardless of what you're doing, one of the best ways to build relationships in the form of partnerships, to learn knowledge that you never would learn, just on the internet, is to get in the flesh with people. Go to meetups, go to masterminds. I literally just left a mastermind that was hosted by my buddy Rico, who I'm gonna be posting an interview with him on my YouTube channel. He's a 7-figure earner. He does drop shipping, he does wholesale, he does all the different types of stuff. I built so many amazing relationships. I shot a bunch of videos that are gonna be coming. Might even have some partnerships that are built because of this mastermind. In addition, one of the benefits of going to masterminds, networking, events, is you learn things. People share things with you that they normally wouldn't share with you on the internet. When you're there in person, you're vibing with them, you can shake their hand, you can connect with them. People are so much more inclined to share information with you that they typically wouldn't on the internet. So if you're not going to masterminds, if you're not going to events, conferences, seminars, you're missing out big time. There's a lot of money that you're leaving on the table. There's a lot of relationships that you're leaving on the table. There's a lot of untapped potential that you're leaving on the table by not putting yourself out there. But what if you're, one of those people like myself sometimes who deals with social anxiety, or maybe you're more introverted, or you don't want to put yourself out there? That's completely fine. You don't have to go to an event and go absolutely crazy and shoot YouTube videos like I do and introducing yourself to everybody like I do. Just be yourself, but push yourself. Push yourself to introduce yourself to one person, because once you do introduce yourself to one person and build a connection with one person, they're typically gonna, introduce you to one of their friends or someone they know, or at least you have someone to sit down with at dinner, and then you're surrounded by 4 or 5 other people. It doesn't have to be something where you push yourself completely outside your comfort zone, but just go, just show up, because people are gonna come up to you. And when you surround yourself with like-minded people who actually understand you and where you've come from and where you're going and understand your business, things just start flowing. We all get kind of like into what's known as a flow state. We just start vibing, and that's why a lot of business people, they golf, and a lot of really amazing deals are done on the golf course, right? Or over a glass of wine, or over dinner, right? That's why there's always dinner meetings are so popular, because you get to relax and just get into your natural state and be comfortable. So I'm telling you right now, if you want to take your business to the next level, whether that's eBay, drop shipping, wholesale, private label, thrifting, YouTube, internet marketing, network marketing, whatever it is you're doing, maybe you run a social media agency, start surrounding yourself with people in the flesh. It's great to network online. It's great to hang out in the Facebook groups and the YouTube comments. I'm not discouraging that, but what I am challenging you to do is to push yourself outside your comfort zone and go meet people in the real world. It's amazing how many, how do I say it? It's almost like miracles can happen when you get out there and you put yourself out there, relationships that are built, opportunities that come your way. And I'm on a high right now after this mastermind that I just went to. So go out there, network, push yourself, go to meetups, seminars, events, courses, meet people, network with them, hang out with them, add value, and I promise you, your life's gonna change. With that being said, keep on picking and making that money, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.